Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, back again from the Appalachian Ocean, and within this video I'm going to show you step by step how to replace an Acura key battery, step by step. So the first thing you want to do is this little button here down at the bottom, that black part. You push that. Check this out. I'm going to hold this phone down here so you can see it all up close. So you push that and this pulls out. Now this is a key if your key fob's ever messed up, dead battery. But this key, Acura did a great job with this. You can see there's a hole right there. You stick the key in this hole right here. When you stick it in, you gently push like that, and that'll pop the cover off. Cover just lifts off, and there's the battery. I've linked the battery like I used within this video's description, so you can find it there. Very affordable. And then to put it back on, all you do is push that and then gently push, and you can see it snaps. Acura did an incredible job with their key design. And then you just stick this back in like that, and there's your key again. Acura did a great job with designing this, because if you've dealt with other vehicles, you know that key fobs are often difficult, and a lot of companies make them difficult on purpose because they want you to go to the dealership to have the battery replaced, and while you're there they try to hard sell you on a new vehicle. But this is how to replace the battery in an Acura key. And like I said, expand this video's description, click the link there, and you can find where to order the battery. Thanks for your viewership, and let's see if we got a raccoon down here, because I am at the Appalachian Ocean. Excuse me, George Cooney. He usually hangs out down there. No, but subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and check out my raccoon videos too. Thanks for your viewership, and hope this video helped. Y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.